Hello developers. Today I want to show you how to make optimal use of a flow to improve insights and capabilities. We are going to discover how to use flows in flows and how to use your own code in a flow. If you would like to know what a flow is first, watch our Getting Started video to learn more about the basics of a flow. The first thing we need to do is ask ourselves, why would you use a flow in a flow? Yes, the answer is that simple. Avoid duplication. But maybe more important, improve readability. Let's say you want to create an order and send it to a customer. And the order needs some products, and those products are based on ID that we want to provide. We would need a lot of activities for that, and to fill that all in one flow would make the flow way too big to understand. The way to go is to split the functionality into flows. As you can see, I already made the flows, create and send order, and create order line. And to make them work together, I need the call flow activity. For example, if I want to create order lines with my order, I can say call flow and select the create order line flow with the product ID I want, for example, 1, and the order I created. I can use this multiple times to add multiple products. An even better way to do this is with a loop, but I will leave that for another time. And in the create and send order, I can call the flow create order to make all this logic work together. Another option would be to drag and drop the flow you want to use. This saves you the time of searching and selecting the flow you need. Of course, you still need to fill in the parameters in the properties screen. To help you understand your code, use the search usage function of a flow. Codolex will show you where the flow is being used, and you can use the results tab to navigate to the place where it's used. The last scenario I want to discuss is when some functionality is missing in the flows. For example, when you want to create a debug log entry every time this create order line flow is called. This might get implemented in the future, so keep in touch and follow the latest developments. But for now, we can simply use the code snippet activity. This allows you to use your own code in our flow. Just simply type down the code you want to use. In this example, it would be output debug string with a value, string value, and make sure it's compilable Delphi code. To make use of this piece of code, we also need the unit Win API windows. To make sure that unit is available, use the use unit activity and provide the unit you need. In this case, Win API.windows. You can choose to provide it in the uses section of the interface or the implementation. In this case, the implementation will do fine. With this knowledge, you'll be able to use the flows to the full extent. Good luck and see you in the next video.